First, tap the plus sign. Find the dashcam Omni and click on it.
Click the power button to authorize.
Once the device is added, click here and just follow the instructions to complete adding the device. Okay, now that the dashcam is connected, the live footage will be synced to the app, as you can see here. The two arrows can control the dashcam to rotate left or right, so it records in different directions. The recorded videos are automatically saved. You can click on the album icon to view the saved footages. Click on the thumbnail button to replay. The dashcam Omni also supports voice control. You can use basic voice commands like take photo, shoot left, when connected to the app, you can also manage device settings, such as resolution and frame rate, HDR on and off, and system language, and so on. There are a variety of system settings in here based on your preference.